when you look at our approach to technology, you look at Aperture and you see an engineering company. A company that thinks that a lot of the answer is in the technology, is in the code and the way we execute the technology, the way we make the machines work together, the way we write our algorithms, the way we manage the data. And we think that there's a competitive advantage in being really great at doing that. And I say that because I think that a lot of technology companies are not actually sure that they are engineering companies. They sometimes think of themselves as maybe more of a sales and marketing company. And Aperture thinks of themselves as an engineering company. And we think that a lot of our solutions are actually solutions that come out of the design, the development, and the deployment of technology. I think that when you look at how we want to be exceptional in that category, you have to look at things like our software development lifecycle. Aperture has taken a completely different approach to the way software is developed. Aperture releases a new version of its software every 2 weeks. In the corporate software world, most of our competitors release once or twice a year. We think that this creates a tremendous opportunity for our customers by allowing them to have a genuinely continuously improving product. But we also think that this is a better situation for our technical people because we are able to develop and deploy in a short period of time and not get caught in a development cycle that turns into a release cycle and then goes back into a development cycle and turns into a release cycle where we are going through code that we wrote 6 months ago trying to find a production bug for the very first time. Aperture has compressed the cycle down to the 2 weeks, and at the same time we remain continuously in release mode and continuously in development mode. This is a radical departure from what standard business software does. It's certainly more akin to the way internet companies run. And my personal background is in the internet, and that's the way I think that you get exceptional engineering results. The other thing that Aperture does is we've gotten very good at helping those customers to operate every day on our software. Aperture is not a software company that writes a piece of code and throws it over to the IT department of another organization who then turns it on and deals with all the issues. We process the data for our customers. We are processing the data for hundreds of customers. And in processing that data, we need to be able to support the customer because when our system doesn't work, our customer can't work. It would be great if technology was the only thing we needed to be successful at Aperture, but it's not. We've discovered that our customers have a lot of challenges that evolve around their ability to actually get technology to work inside their organization. They also have a lot of anxiety about the ability to commit to a technology and depend on a technology to do their business. So Aperture has had to develop a consulting organization that is able to take advantage of the technology that we're developing, which by the way is extremely configurable, but there is a yin and a yang to this configurability, which is it's extremely configurable. You have to kind of figure out what you want. You suddenly have a lot of choices as a business person. Aperture helps our customers understand how to make the right choices so that the final implementation for them is something that works for their business.